I'm here with attorney Mark Bello, CEO of Lawsuit Financial, one of the country's experienced providers of lawsuit financial services. You're offering a new program to introduce legal funding to transitioning attorneys, paralegals, entrepreneurs, sales professionals. And what made you decide to offer this program?
Well, Teresa, I've been a lawyer for a long time. I've been in the legal business a long time. I've long desired to create a program that would help transitioning professionals go into the legal funding business. And that is exactly what I've done. I've created a comprehensive, very exciting program to train them to be legal funding professionals.
Does a prospect need legal training to succeed in this business?
Well, legal or paralegal training would certainly help. Being an attorney, being a paralegal might help somebody understand legal terminology or concepts related to legal funding. But the way we've constructed this program, a person does not need to have legal training to succeed.
Now, what is the Lawsuit Financial Training Institute?
It's really a formalized approach to providing the training. It's simply a name for the training.
Now, what kind of training? What does it consist of?
The training includes a 100-plus page manual with chapters devoted to starting your business, to pursuing legal funding business, to dealing with attorneys, to dealing with clients, how to market those services to attorneys and to clients, all the forms you'll need to pursue business, to conduct business. It will teach the consultant important legal finance strategies. It will introduce them to the products and services that they will become experts in. Will provide a protected territory of their choosing, and the consultant will receive continuing support from Lawsuit Financial Corporate. In addition, we're going to provide a flash drive to put into their computer. It'll have all the forms, contracts, strategies. In fact, it'll have the entire manual loaded into the flash drive so that they'll be able to refer to it from time and time again.
So are there actual classes for prospective consultants?
Yes, absolutely. We'll provide either live seminar at our office, day long, or we'll provide the training by webinar. The training will take the consultant through the training manual with a detailed discussion of all the forms and contracts and strategies available in the manual. We'll teach the consultant the fundamentals of a personal injury case, which is quite important. Some of these people don't know anything about personal injury litigation. And we'll teach them how to deal with a busy attorney. Marketing, sales, networking, exhibiting, public speaking, all of these things will be covered in the training. And we'll also provide the entire training session on the flash drive so they can refer to it over and over and over again. The mind, after all, does have a tendency to wander.
It is certainly all-inclusive, but will the consultant be on his or her own after training?
Absolutely not. I'm glad you asked that question. Lawsuit Financial Corporate will provide unlimited underwriting and financial support to the consultant. If the consultant has a question, all they need to do is call. We'll answer any and all of their questions. If they're in the middle of a transaction and they're speaking with a client or they're speaking with an attorney and they want Lawsuit Financial Corporate to get on the phone and explain the process or speak to that lawyer or that client, Lawsuit Financial Corporate will be happy to do that. We will provide unlimited funding dollars. We'll provide access to our private network of litigation funding investors so that that consultant will always have the financial means necessary to fund their cases. The consultant will have unlimited access to our underwriting support. Now, I certainly recommend that a consultant learn this business and become a legal funding specialist. But the truth is that the amount of support from Lawsuit Financial Corporate will be so great that all a consultant needs to do is provide a name and a phone number. Lawsuit Financial Corporate can take care of the entire transaction, and a commission will be generated to that consultant, not only for that deal, but every transaction that emanates from that single source. That consultant will receive a commission regardless of whether he does the work or whether Lawsuit Financial Corporate does.
So how many transactions does it take for a consultant to make a solid return on their investment?
Lawsuit Financial specializes in the roughly $2,500 to $7,500 transaction. if a consultant acquaints himself with 10 to 15 law firms or lawyers who refer him perhaps 5 to 10 deals a year, and that consultant prospects additional attorneys and does some direct-to-plaintiff marketing, the consultant will do very well. As to recouping investments, there are no guarantees, of course, but given the transactional size and time that a lawsuit funding transaction typically takes, the consultant should recover his investment within 5 to 10 transactions.
Now, where does someone go to find more information?
Anyone interested in the program can contact me personally, toll-free, at 877-377-SUIT, or they can apply for the program online at www.lawsuitfinancial.com. We'll provide them a comprehensive brochure detailing the opportunity, providing them all the forms they need to get started, and take them step by step through the application process.
Now, that's all the questions I have. Is there anything else you'd like to add, Mark?
Yes, this is an awesome program. I've enjoyed this business more than I ever thought I would. I've been able to help people all over the country, whereas when I practiced law, I was only able to help people in a local geographical area. I have gained keen insight into how to handle legal finance transactions and how to satisfy clients, and especially clients' attorneys. It is time I shared this knowledge with others. What I'm hoping to accomplish is having consultants all over the country servicing areas that I cannot personally service. I look at this as the win-win-win-win proposition. For the consultant, for the company, for the attorney and enhanced revenues that he can charge an attorney fee on, and especially for the client who, through no fault of his own, suffered an unexpected injury that devastated his financial life and his physical health.
Thanks for talking with me, Mark, and good luck on this new program.
Thanks, Teresa. It was my pleasure.